Hello, my name is Pradana Erlangga. I want to give my opinion about Indonesia versus Bahrain in previous match. Indonesia versus Bahrain in previous match was unfair because the referee burned Indonesia and made easier for Bahrain. For example, during extra time, which should have been 6 minutes and end in 10 minutes. I think it's very unfair, the referee decision, not to mention that Bahrain is reported to have support the referee. And for the next match, I hope the match will be held in Indonesia. Thank you.
Halo, nama saya Pradana Erlangga. NIM saya 64240242. Saya akan menjelaskan tentang simple present tense. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is a verb tense used to describe action or event that happen regularly, are happening right now, or are factual. The simple present tense is also known as the present indefinite tense because it describes action that happen occasionally. It is one of the most frequently used tense in everyday speech. When is present tense used? Present tense used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that's happening now. In addition, simple present tense also used in conditional sentence type 0 and conditional tense type 1 pattern, followed by simple future tense. Before diving deeper, it is better if we recall the structure of a sentence so we can say sentence if it consists of the following three things: subject, predicate, complement. Formula simple present tense. 1. A sentence can be verbal or nominal, so the name predicate is not always a verb. 2. In verbal sentence, after the subject will be followed by a verb. Meanwhile, in nominal sentence, after the subject will be accompanied by a non-verb that we usually know as an auxiliary verb or to be. What is simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb or s or es plus complement for the positive sentence with verbal. Pattern: if the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb or to be plus complement. Nominal simple present tense. How to make simple present tense? Here is the simple present tense formula that you can use. Positive subject plus to be plus complement. Negative subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Question: to be plus subject plus complement. Example of simple present tense with nominal sentence patterns. Positive: I am an international school student. Negative: she is not an international school student. Question: is she an international school student? Verbal simple present. The formula plus minus question of the simple present tense for the verbal pattern is positive subject plus verb 1 plus es or s plus complement minus subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 complement. Question subject: do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. In accordance with the previous discussion in verbal sentence, you do need to add to after subject because the verb is the one that is in charge of being predicate. The good thing is the verb in this tense are the basic form, meaning they have not undergone any change. So if you make a sentence with third person subject or he, she, it singular subject, the they are some verb that must be add with s or es at the end. An example of a simple present tense sentence that uses verbal formula rules is: we go to school by bus. She goes to school by bicycle. In addition to the formal above, another simple present tense is the nominal present tense that used to be. Sentence that used to be are generally verbs that do not indicate an action. Formula is what are example of simple present tense positive sentence. She wants to be a doctor. 2. Cow eat grass. 3. They speak English at the office. 4. He likes banana. 5. They play basketball every morning. Negative sentence. 1. They don't have money. 2. Lala doesn't see Peter in the class. 3. My best friend doesn't love you. 4. You don't listen to me. 5. California is not in the United Kingdom. Interrogative sentence or question sentence. 1. Do they talk a lot? 2. Does he play tennis? 3. Does your father drink coffee? 4. Where does he have lunch? 5. Does he ride motorbike? Adverb of frequency. In recognized simple present tense, it can be seen from the time information because simple present tense is sentence that show repeat even in general truth. The time information commonly used in simple present tense is a follow. Here's a list that you should note down. Contoh kata keterangan waktu atau adverb of time. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, now, often, always, already, and just. What are the characteristics of simple present tense? 1. Use verb in the basic form. Infinitive or non-regularly verb. Example 1. Play soccer every weekend. Play is a verb in the basic form. 2. Use auxiliary verb, namely do or does, for verbal sentence in negative and interrogative form. Example, she doesn't eat meat. Doesn't does not auxiliary word in negative form for the subject she. You like a chocolate? The auxiliary word. Do you like chocolate? The auxiliary word for question with the subject you. Function and use simple present tense apart from expressing fact. When we use the simple present tense in sentence, the answer is the image below. 1. General truth or generalization or fact. Explain certain fact. In the word, we cannot escape that is called absolute or truth, general truth. Well, generalization means truth that cannot be contested. So simple present tense from of sentence to express concentrate things and expel sentence is the earth revolves around the sun. 2. Habitual or daily activity, aka repeat action. If you hear the word habit, you can definitely guess its meaning easily. Yep, simple present tense also function to show habit or daily activity, aka active or schedule that you do repeat. Example, we go to school by bus every morning. 3. Express feeling and emotion. Are you sad? Or maybe you are thinking about something, then hesitate. You can express it to simple present tense. Example sentence feeling. I'm not sad too. 2. Hear your bad news. Emotion. I always thankful because have a great best friend. 4. The schedule event is near future or familiar with future condition. What is meant by this function is that simple present tense is also used to discuss activity or event schedule in the near future. In addition, the sentence commonly uses this discussing transportation schedule. For example, the the train departs at 8 a.m. 5. Command or instruction. Have you ever watched a cooking tutorial? No. Look no further. You must have often read instruction or commands on your smartphone, right? For example, in following sentence, draw pattern or use fingerprint to unlock. Pour the juice into the cup. If you already understand the function of the simple present tense, it's time for you to dive deep into the next section. Thank you.